from one founder to another. Please join me in welcoming none other than the incredible Shakti Mohan. Hi Shakti, how are you?
Hi Priyank, Namaste from
Namaste
India.
Shakti. In today's world or today's generation, I think we all, are running towards gaining that success or fame very quickly.
Saying कि 1 मिनट में बिरयानी बना दो तो आपको क्या टेस्ट आएगा उसमें
Correct.
वैसे ही आपकी सक्सेस होगी अगर आपको 1 मिनट में सक्सेस चाहिए.
The opportunities compared to India and US, where do you think is more and why?
इंडिया में ना डांसिंग स्टार्स बन गए हैं. आई थिंक फॉर डांसर्स सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है कि उनको रिस्पेक्ट मिलनी चाहिए.
Correct.
एंड दिस इज़ समथिंग आई थिंक शुड हैपन वर्ल्ड वाइड, चाहे इंडिया में हो चाहे यूएस में हो कोई भी कंट्री में हो.
Do you think there is a particular dance style in India that should be embraced more on a global stage?
लोग गरबा सीख लें यहाँ पे तो लोग पागल हो जाएंगे कि ये क्या है. लाइक गरबा शुड बी ऑन लाइक इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म.
Correct. Choreography may, I think now the norms have changed. I think the focus, and please correct me if I'm wrong, I think the focus is how this song steps can go viral. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the very first episode of the Nach Talk, brought to you by Nach Chicago. A series of podcasts where we dive deep into the journeys of dancers from all across the world. Nach is an entertainment company that is rooted in the heart of Chicago and with our second home in New York. We offer variety of South Asian dance workshops and exclusive Bollywood centric events, all in the hope and goal of uplifting our South Asian community. Beyond that, we are starting this series of podcasts which we hope, which can we can inspire and give you more information and advice if you're considering dance as a full-time career or just trying to improve as a dancer or tone your skills. I'm your host Priyank, and I am very excited to introduce our first guest. She's a global inspiration and she's known for her passion, creativity towards the art of dance. From one founder to another, uh, please join me in welcoming none other than the incredible Shakti Mohan. Hi Shakti, how are you?
Hi Priyank, Namaste from
Namaste
India.
Shakti.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good, and congratulations on your series, brand new podcast, and I hope everyone listens to it and all the dancers in the US come together and support the community.
I think I think having you as our first guest, I think it's a very big achievement for us, and I think having such a big star who's known all around the world, who's so famous for her dancing, I think it's great for us. So thank you so much for being on our show for the first time ever, and we are very excited to have you.
My pleasure.
So delving into just conversation, we know you've been super busy with the US tour, with Nritya Shakti tour, with your personal shoots, dance across the world, and all. So before we delve into all of that, definitely we will talk about all of that. Let's rekindle and let's rewind and go back into your dance journey and how you started. And let's start from childhood. There are, as we grow up, there are so many things that affect us, like one thing kuch pasand aaya, kuch nahi aaya, something that hits you, maybe your brain, your heart, and tells you, this is where you have to move on. So going into childhood, and you've grown up with three more sisters, how was it during your childhood? How was the house atmosphere? Mummy papa ne kaise support kiya? What did they do that that has pushed you to be where you are?
So, like you said, like four sisters, it felt like we were in a boarding school throughout. And my eldest sister, Neeti Idi, she was the one who was drawn towards music and dancing. And constantly watching her perform, like हमने अपना बेड जो था ना दिल्ली में, और उसके सामने इतना बड़ा मिरर लगा हुआ था, तो इट हैड बिकम आवर स्टेज. और हम लोग ऐसा बेड शीट लेके ना कभी कोई क्वीन बना कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा कैरेक्टर लेके ना वी यूज टू डांस. बट आई थिंक इट ऑल स्टार्टेड विद दीदी प्लेइंग वेरी डिफरेंट यूनिक म्यूजिक. इट वॉजंट लाइक टिपिकल जो भी टीवी पे आ रहा है. लाइक शी वुड गेट, आई डोंट नो व्हाई, लाइक हाउ शी गॉट तमिल सॉन्ग्स की cassettes लेके आती थी वो रहमान सर की, and then she would play this. और रहमान sir is a genius, like he has inspired everyone to move, and like the kind of music he has आज भी चलाओ तो it's relevant. So back then we used to just play the cassette side A and B and keep dancing throughout. And I think that's where the whole love for dancing started. And I still remember that bed and the mirror. पापा ऐसे बोलते ये चारों लड़कियां करती क्या रहती है, दिन भर अपने आप को मिरर में देखते रहते हो और नाचते रहते हो. एंड वो बेड को हमने इतनी बार तोड़ा है, लाइक एवरी टाइम इतना जंप करते थे कि वो बार बार टूट जाता था. ही हैड टू फिक्स इट. But I think those were the days where we were realizing that this is something we absolutely love, and we were kind of brewing something we didn't know where it was going to go.
Was it when four sisters were dancing to whatever song or whatever music, was it Bollywood type of dancing? Because I know you started training into Bharatnatyam a little later, but was it like kuch bhi karna hai ya just dance, or what was it?
I think हम लोग मोस्टली वी वर इंस्पायर्ड बाय बॉलीवुड. जो भी हमने टीवी पे देखा है ना वही सेम स्टेप्स रेप्लिकेट करने हैं. बट आई डोंट नो हाउ, बट वी यूज टू ऑल्सो डू मोर, बट मोर लाइक idiotic stuff. Not like ऐसा contemporary, or didn't even know what contemporary and hip hop was till I reached college. So till then we were just doing freestyle, and anything we would watch on TV we had to replicate it exactly.
So I think while you've always said that you followed into first Neeti's steps, and then you and Mukti have been dancing like grown up like twin sisters.
Yeah.
At a certain age, was there any particular dance style that caught your eye? Like, yaar, ye seekhna hai. I know you trained in Bharatnatyam, but
Yeah.
with classical training as well, was there something else? Ki, this is so good. Kash main ye bhi kar pati. Abhi.
Abhi? Like right
when
now?
you're training for Bharatnatyam. When,
उस टाइम तो कुछ पता ही नहीं था कि देर आर एनी डांस फॉर्म्स. कोई इंटरनेट नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. तो स्कूल में ऑप्शन था भरतनाट्यम एंड कथक एंड म्यूजिक. आउट ऑफ दीज थ्री आई हैड टू चूज वन, एंड आई रियली लाइक माई भरतनाट्यम टीचर. शी वाज साउथ इंडियन, शी वाज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट. सो आई एम लाइक आई वांट टू डू दिस. Then I went into class, and then getting into that Aramandi position, I'm like, oh my God, it's not difficult. But then I really connected with her, and I'm still in touch with her, and she's amazing. And I think that's where my love and एक होता है ना कि okay, I enjoy doing it. एक आया कि no, this is a discipline. It's not just ऐसे ही like time pass करो. She really drilled that into me. She was such a tough teacher, and I really love her. Like, her name is Priya ma'am, and even now, like when I opened my studio back in Bombay, I invited her, and I really wanted her to see the space. And I feel like such teachers leave such a like impact in your life you don't even know.
yeah.
Back then I had no idea like she'll be a part of my life always.
So, going through your history and how you've come to where you are, you were preparing for the IAS, and I know UPSC is not easy.
Yeah.
And I've been in a position where I'm an engineer, and I've had to choose between engineering or dance karu ya what. I know it can be a hard decision. And what was that phase like? What age were you? What was going through your mind? And how you understood कि नहीं यही करना है, let's go for it and try and देखते हैं क्या होता है.
So I think everything that you want to do is some sort of conditioning around you. And I grew up in Delhi, और वहाँ पे बहुत मतलब सबको UPSC, सबको IAS officer बनना है. तो I think I had that growing up in my head, and I knew that like nobody ever told me that you could be a dancer. Like that is something that I could not even say to anyone. Like even to my sister, I could not say कि मैं dancer बन जाऊँ. Like I would be so scared. And ऐसा होता है ना कि like घर में अच्छे नंबर लेके आओ, 100% आने चाहिए, 90% आने चाहिए. तो वैसे उसी मेंटालिटी से आप बढ़ते रहते हो. एंड देन आई वाज काइंड ऑफ अ टॉपर इन माय क्लास. आई टॉप मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी ऑल्सो. तो सबको ये होता है कि अच्छा ये तो अभी इसी फील्ड में जाएगी, पढ़ाई में बहुत अच्छी है. देन आई एम लाइक आई डोंट नो, लाइक आई स्टिल कुड नॉट से टू माई सेल्फ दैट आई वांट टू बिकम अ डांसर. लाइक दिस इज व्हाट माई हार्ट सेज. एंड आई थिंक द ट्रांजिशन टू मुंबई इज व्हेन the change happened. I realized that there is too much freedom when it comes to art. Like there's a lot of acceptance for who you want to be. And Didi had taken me to watch Terence's contemporary production. That's where my mind was blown. I'm like, whatever it is, I didn't even know ये contemporary है क्या है ये, like ये जो भी है मुझे ये करना है बस. And then I met Terence sir and we मतलब कॉलेज में we had participated और वहाँ पे सबको ना कूपन मिले, like whoever won got this scholarship की जाके एक दो क्लास फ्री में. And then they said कि why don't you audition to become a professional dancer? I'm like no, I don't want to do this. I want to go and study. And that's when that phase where you're deciding. I was 21, 22, college से निकले हैं and still trying to decide. That's when I think Terence sir and Neeti Idi are two people who were like pillars in my life, who helped me make that decision. Because Terence sir, I still remember the studio where I was standing. I just finished my audition. Dil Se Re पे मैंने डांस किया था. And then Terence sir पता नहीं क्यों उस दिन थे स्टूडियो में and he saw me. And he said, so what's your plan and everything? I'm like, sir, मुझे तो पढ़ाई करनी है. I want to become an IAS. Then he told me कि Shakti, no matter what you do in life, you will succeed. So choose wisely. Choose what you love. And I'm like, why is he saying all these things? Like, it's just sounding too dramatic to me. I don't know what he's saying. I went back home and I told my sister, Didi को मैंने बोला. And Didi being, like a mother to me, she said, you're so good at it and you love it. Why don't you give it a shot? अगर नहीं कुछ होता है 3-4 साल give it a shot and then you can still apply for UPSC till 29 you can.
Correct.
And I was just 21, 22 and I'm like, okay, let me give it a shot. And I joined the company and after that never looked back.
I think all thanks to Terence sir as well.
Yes.
So when you joined the academy, obviously you were Bharatanatyam trained and, seeing contemporary dancers and, I think contemporary is one of the most hardest form of dancing, you can do because you need your body flexible, body strength and stamina, which is, I think, imperative for, I think, all dance forms, but I think contemporary asks for it more. When you went into the room and, you saw all these people and your first training session with Terence or whoever, was there a moment that you felt self-doubt कि मैं कहाँ गई हूँ, should I even be here or should I just try it and let's see what happens?
I felt so excited. I don't know why. Learning has always been very exciting for me. Like, I want to learn all the time. So I was in a room where I was absorbing so much information. I was so inspired. I'm like, I also want to do this. I was constantly pushing my body to do extra split, like constantly pushing my leg to go over my head. And for me to walk into a class and see what other dancers are able to do was only motivating me. Like, I want to do more. Oh my God, I want to do this. So I never felt like when someone's better, I'm like, wow, I want to do this. Like, I take that challenge instead of feeling कि मुझसे तो ये नहीं होगा और मुझे नहीं करना है, like छोड़ दो. So at that time, I know that Terence sir and the director Maruk ma'am, she used to always tell me, like I used to go to them अगर कोई class cancel हो जाती, like, ma'am, please, I want to train more. And Terence is like, you are a strange child. Like, everyone wants to do more shows and more like paid opportunities. And I'm coming to the studio कि नहीं हमारी training क्यों नहीं हो रही है, हमारी classes क्यों नहीं हो रही है. I don't know why I always had this hunger for learning. And even now I'm sitting here and I know that today all day in my hotel room I was stretching. I'm like, it's been so long I have not danced. I want to be in a class and I want to do all my exercises. I think this is what has kept me very close to what I do back home with Nritya Shakti, that when I see students, I'm inspired by them because they are pushing themselves all the time.
Right.
So, yeah, walking into a class for the first time, I was like, I want to kill it. I want to do everything. Although starting this late in life, you get a lot of challenges.
Okay.
Like becoming a contemporary dancer, आपको जो बैले की ट्रेनिंग आपको 3-4 साल में यहाँ पे हो जाती है और वो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड स्ट्रेंथ वो उस एज पे आना मुश्किल है. बट आई नेवर टोल्ड माई सेल्फ दैट आई कांट डू इट. आई एम लाइक आई एम गोइंग टू डू इट समहाउ. आई एम गोइंग टू मैनेज इट.
Coming to that, so this phase was between 21 and 24.
Yeah.
Okay. वो 3 साल ट्रेनिंग होने के बाद who told you or maybe what pushed you or you had that thought or maybe sisters ने बोला कि let's go audition for Dance India Dance? And even when you audition, was it like कि चलो let's just audition for the sake of it, or what, no, I'm going to win this competition or at least show people that I am good, I love dance and I love dancing? What was that thought process?
So going into a reality show, पहले तो reality shows की कोई मतलब सबको ऐसा लगता था कि क्या है, like it'll be too much drama and acting ये सब. तो when season 1 happened DID, उस time Terence sir was the judge, and since he was training me, we all were watching the show and we were very excited. We realized that the show is different. It's not drama and Rona Dhona television types, and being in a contemporary company, you become little like
Yeah,
sophisticated.
yeah.
You know stuff. So when season 1 happened is when I thought ki I want to audition. But again, I was a little hesitant, like how do I go and tell Terence sir? And I also shared this on the show, reality show, एक कोई था डांस चैम्पियंस में, जहाँ पे मैंने सर को जाके मैंने स्टेज पे बोला कि सर मैं आई थी आपके पास बोलने के लिए कि आई वांट टू डू डांस इन डांस, एंड ही टोल्ड मी दैट शक्ति यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू इट. And that broke my heart. Like for 2-3 days, I was just quiet, hurt. And I'm like, this is what he thinks of me after years of working with him. And then Puneet was also in the company. He also had gone. So he said, Puneet, tu to kar lega because you are very, Puneet is ekdam jugadu, like, ye bhi kar le. And I was very disciplined, focused. Like, I will wake up on time, sleep on time, I'll stretch and will not do any nonsense, no parties, no hanging out. So he knew that I am, reality shows mein kya hai, you have to be open to anything.
Yeah.
24 hours of working, day and night, everything, no food, like no proper food. And I'm like, I will calculate what I'm eating. So he's like, tumse nahi ho payega. So then that day I decided that I'm going to show him that I will do it. I didn't think that I'll win it. And like, it just hurt me so much. I'm like, sir, I will show you. So then I auditioned. He was, if you see the audition, he, like Remo sir and Geeta Ma and Mithun are like, wow, they are going on. And Terence is still tough.
Yeah.
Although I'm his student, he's like, we have other, participants, let's see. And I'm like, he doesn't like me or something, or what, like, what that? So I'm like, okay, fine, whatever. Then I made it to his team.
Okay.
So I was very happy because I wanted to be in Terence sir ki toli. I had to be. So when I went to his rehearsal jab start hui, I knew that in the rehearsal, I am not going to ask for loo break or a food break or anything.
Okay.
Till the time they say. Because he knows that I work in a very specific manner. He has seen me. I'm not going to ask for anything. I will stand 18 hours if I have to dance, I will dance. And it used to happen that everyone else is saying, I'll stand till they say, okay, Shakti, take a break or sit down or stretch or something. So till the moment I won that trophy, I did not say a word to Terence that, sir, you told me this. And actually, I didn't say it till I was on another show as a judge and all that.
Yeah.
Sir, you said that to me. And I made a point. He's like, oh my God. And for me, the victory post the show, like full Takdeer ki topi, everything's happened backstage because he knew how much I value training. He said, I'm giving you a scholarship to go to Vienna and train. And that's when I felt like this topi, everything didn't matter to me, that I will go and learn more. Is when I was like, sir, I love you, oh my God. So that moment I remember so distinctly, and that's where I felt like, wow, this journey is complete.
Looking back, I can feel what you're trying to say because my mom used to do it with me. कि ये नहीं होगा तुमसे, and then your thing comes in, नहीं अब तो I will show it. So do you think that was like just a technique that he used, or was it like genuine? No, he thought that maybe you weren't as prepared to come into that show.
So I think because he knows me as a person, and television industry is very different. Now I see why he said that. He didn't ever mean to challenge me. He only wanted to safeguard me that Shakti, तू परेशान हो जाएगी ये show में आएगी क्योंकि तेरे लिए बहुत headache होएगा. Things will not go according to you, and you are a very like school person. Like एक schedule है, यहाँ पे कोई schedule नहीं है. 5 बजे उठा देंगे, and रात भर rehearsal होगी. And I think him saying that prepared me. Like I mentally prepared myself that I'm going to fight it. And I never expected anything else from the show. It was very difficult. And I say this to all the dancers that if you can survive a reality show, abhi to reality shows बहुत easy हो गए. Like you go do your style.
Yeah.
Back then you had to do every style possible in the world. And if you can survive that, if you can survive sleepless nights, no food, and mental pressure of constantly having to, dance with this one, group acts, you will make it in life.
So, fast forwarding the years now that, you're done with being a contestant, you've won the show, We've started working on different projects, gone to Vienna for training. Now, in the past 3, 4, 5 years, you have become from a contestant, you've become a judge. I'm very sure the experience, the feeling, the pressure is very different because maybe contestants have more pressure
Yeah.
compared to judges. And how is it like? What do you feel कि जब when someone performs, do you feel empathetic कि यार इतने मेहनत करते हैं लोग? Maybe it was different at your time. Maybe it's less now or more now. Is there any also another contestant that you feel कि she is someone to look forward to, like, and maybe she's the next, not next Shakti Mohan, but the next one of the next stars India is going to get.
So actually, what you said, like being a participant, is much easier.
Oh,
It's so chilled out. Like जैसे बच्चे होते हैं ना, एक स्कूल टीचर है और बच्चे बच्चे कैसे मस्ती करते रहते हैं, उनको कोई फर्क ही नहीं. दे डोंट नो कॉन्सिक्वेंस. They don't know what's it like to be anything. They are like कुछ भी होगा, I have nothing to lose.
yeah.
So when I was in DID, I felt like Terence sir was constantly protecting us, training us. तो हमें कुछ पता ही नहीं क्या हो रहा है दुनिया में. हम मस्ती कर रहे हैं, हम डांस कर रहे हैं, we are learning. Then you sit on this side, it feels like you're just sitting and you're clapping and you're giving judgment. No. Like every time my team is performing, I am अभी ये गिरेगा, oh my god, ये prop अभी, like you are freaking out every time. They are doing battles, they are doing anything, and my face, sometimes they show it close up में, इतना गंदा लगता है ऐसे, बहुत डर लगता है. Like all of us, all the captains, I've seen that they are freaking out, they are praying. Like I sit like this, बस इसका अच्छे से हो जाए. Oh my god, अब ये prop गिरने वाली, अब ये slip हो गया. और कितनी बार ऐसा होता है गिर जाते हैं, तब ऐसा लगता है कि now I have to baby them, I have to take care of them because they are crying and they are feeling so bad because they worked so hard.
Yeah.
So it's very difficult. It might not look कि इतना डर लगता है हमको, पर बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है. And I think season 1 and 2 of Dance Plus were phenomenal. Like we saw Sushant Khatri, we saw Piyush Bhagat, 13.13, Sagar Bora. मतलब बहुत सारे ऐसे आर्टिस्ट थे जो कि आई थिंक हमने अंडरग्राउंड वर्ल्ड से स्टेज पे देखे, एंड दैट्स व्हाट मेड डांस प्लस व्हाट इट इज़. एंड काफ़ी सीजन्स में आते गए आर्टिस्ट इस तरीके के who have become a part of the industry and are doing very well for themselves. I know, matlab, I see that these dancers are doing very well and they inspire me, but I don't know if there is anyone who I can say can be at that level as of now, to be very honest. Like they are all in the process and they are still working towards it, and they inspire me, all of them, but I don't know at that level if they have reached today or
Correct.
not.
I think talking about process, we've had this conversation before as well, and I know, and I agree with you when you say in today's world or today's generation, I think we all, are running towards gaining that success or fame very quickly compared to, slow growth, slow build, and, and it is also said that, fast success gives you an ego, but, slow success makes you realize how difficult it is actually to reach there. What advice would you give to my generation, our generation, who are running behind success and we want to be number one एकदम quickly, what we should do कि हम थम जाए, हम सोचे कि no, ये process है. I think we should have fun in the process as well, because I think in the race of coming or finishing it or coming first, we forget to enjoy the process. So what advice would you give?
Like you said, you enjoy the process. It's like saying कि 1 मिनट में बिरयानी बना दो, तो आपको क्या टेस्ट आएगा उसमें.
Correct.
वैसे ही आपकी सक्सेस होगी अगर आपको 1 मिनट में सक्सेस चाहिए. और डांस तो मतलब इतनी फन चीज़ है, उसको आप ट्रॉफी के लिए थोड़ी ना करते हो.
Correct.
You don't do it to win, you don't do it. Yes, I can understand when people want to make a career so that they can support their families, they want to work like that, I understand. But there is no guarantee what will work, what will not work.
Yeah.
So what is in your control is that you do your best.
Correct.
And if you have done your best, you are never disappointed.
Yes.
And I have seen this time and again कि जहाँ पर मैंने बहुत इरिटेट होके कोई काम किया है, मुझे ना मज़ा आया है, ना ही वो चीज़ कुछ बनी है. और वही चीज़ को अगर आपने आराम आराम से सेवर करके किया है और स्लोली किया है,
Correct.
आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा that it has reached somewhere and you don't even care then.
Yeah.
You're like, oh, okay, all right,
Yeah.
fine. And I felt that in DID, that each and every audition, मेरा शुरू में audition था, I'm like, oh, मेरे को ले लिया इन लोगों ने, oh shit, मेरे को निकाला नहीं, अच्छा इस राउंड में भी मेरा हो गया. I literally went one episode to the other thinking that आज मेरा last day, and so I enjoyed. I never thought like मुझे तो trophy, like that makes you very serious and I don't know, like आप enjoy कैसे करोगे जब आपने इतनी अपने लिए वो बना ली है like strict कि अब मुझे ये करना है, अब मुझे ये करना है, आप enjoy नहीं कर सकते. And I also learned this slowly in life, like I was very strict.
Okay.
I would not express myself. I would just be like all my friends. Even Terence sir had such a hard time training me to express myself. मैंने कहा सर मुझे expressions देने में बहुत शर्म आती है, मुझे बहुत awkward लगता है. And he made me do मुजरा. तो मुझसे हो ही नहीं रहा है. And he is calling all these people to train me. Shakti, open up, express, feel. कहा सर मुझसे नहीं होता है. Like physically you can make me do anything. पर जैसे ही express करना है ना, I will be very closed and will be very shy to express. But he really like tried his best to open up, speak, do something. Yeah, I mean it was a journey, and I see a lot of dancers who are still like that.
Yeah.
Like bodily, they'll be killing it. Like Mukti और मैं जब भी dance करते थे, Mukti would be killing it here,
Yeah.
and she'll be always watching me कि next step क्या है, and I'll be killing it with the steps, but I'll be looking down and dancing. Like I'll be always shy. तो आप हमेशा life में सीखते रहते हो. Like there is so much to learn, and even now I have so many things to learn about dance. Like I get inspired from students all the time and I see क्या क्या create कर रहे हैं, क्या क्या ideas, concepts हैं. तो मुझे वो energy में students के साथ रहना बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah. Me living in the US, I know for a fact that people know what Bollywood dancing is. You know, they know Bhangra.
Yeah.
They, you know, pehle I think 10, 12 years back or maybe 15 years back, it was little ki, हाँ, there is something, but now it's like, very Bollywood dancing. So good. But yeah, I think now times have changed.
Yeah.
All thanks to you and, you know,
No thanks to me. In fact, I wanted to say कि हमें जो लगता था ना कि हम लोग we look at West and we follow.
Yeah.
And then वो मेरा perception change हो गया जब Kings United had gone and won World of Dance. फिर ऐसे ही देसी hoppers भी था, ऐसे काफ़ी सारे लोग, even from my studio, Parth, he had gone for World of Dance LA and वो जीत के आया. हम लोग अपने आप को अंडर एस्टिमेट क्यों करते हैं कि हम इंडियंस हैं, हम लोग बाहर के डांसर्स को ही देख के सीखेंगे. एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई एम लाइक हमें अपना खुद का क्रिएट करना चाहिए. हम वेस्ट का ही स्टाइल क्यों करते रहें. येस इट्स ग्रेट, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. लाइक बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं कि आप लोग यही स्टाइल क्यों करते हो. मैंने कहा आप क्लासिकल देखोगे,
Correct.
DD1 पे आता है, दूरदर्शन पे, आप देखते नहीं हो, आप ये सब शोज देखते हो. फिर आप हमें क्वेश्चन करते हो कि आप लोग क्लासिकल. मैंने कहा आई एम क्लासिकली ट्रेन, विल यू वॉच इट. नो, you want to watch jazz, you want to watch contemporary, you want to watch hip hop. तो वो ऑडियंस का भी पर्सपेक्टिव धीरे धीरे चेंज करना पड़ेगा कि आप ये भी डांस फॉर्म्स देखो. जरूरी नहीं है यही नहीं है बस दुनिया में.
You think Bharatnatyam and, you know, Kathak, do you think they are the most respected dance forms when it comes to Indian culture?
आई थिंक सब डांस फॉर्म की रिस्पेक्ट है, बट एक क्लासिकल इज़ क्लासिकल, मतलब इट्स थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ईयर्स ओल्ड, और उसका ना एक प्रॉपर स्ट्रक्चर है और उसको लोग अलग तरीके से देखते हैं, जो कि एक तरीके से अच्छा है. पर मुझे लगता है कि डांस है.
Correct.
जो एक छोटा बच्चा भी करता है, मतलब हर एक चीज़ को इतनी फॉर्म एंड शेप एंड लेबल नहीं देना चाहिए. डांस है. अगर आप क्लासिकल करते हो आप अच्छे हो, आप ये करते हो तो आप गंदे हो. वो सोच को ना हमको थोड़ा ओपन अप करना चाहिए कि काफ़ी लोग हैं जो ऐसे कि आप लोग इस तरीके से करो तो अच्छा होगा. हम लाइक अच्छा किसके लिए होगा, वो आपकी सोच है. आप इंग्लिश में क्यों बात करो, आप हिंदी में करो. आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रही है मैं किसी भी भाषा में बात करूँ. पर वो कहीं कहीं लोगों को कुछ होता है ना, लाइक कहीं ना कहीं आपको इग्नाइट करना है कि इनका कुछ रिएक्शन निकल के आए. इट विल नॉट कम.
Yeah, no, absolutely right. All right. So, you know, let's move on and talk about the Nritya Shakti US tour. So,
Yes.
I've been very lucky to be a part of the organizing team and also part of your team, you know, to come here and teach one of your choreographies. You have been to various cities with me, and, you know, I think the tour was fabulous and
Yes.
fantastic. What did you think as, you know, you're a mentor to hundreds of us. What's the main unique, maybe strengths and weaknesses between dancers in India and maybe dancers in the US?
Good question. Um, Firstly, thank you for organizing this tour. And I know that it is not easy, managing so many cities. We went to New York, Chicago, Dallas, Atlanta, and then again Chicago today. So it takes a lot of hard work to manage so many aspects of this, and you did phenomenally. Thank you. I don't want to draw a difference between dancers in US and India because, like I said, dance is dance. And when I see that somebody is so much in love with dance, I just enjoy that purity. I just love watching that. Like आप कितने भी कैसे भी दिख रहे हो, पर
Correct.
आप खुश हो ना,
Yeah.
तो वो सबसे बड़ी विक्ट्री है कि आपने बस enjoy कर लिया. इट डजेंट मैटर आपकी लाइंस कितनी क्लीन थी, आपको स्टेप याद नहीं था, जो मतलब मस्ती करके निकल जाते हैं ना, वो मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. कुछ डांसर्स होते हैं जो टेक्निक को यूज़ करके भी कर लेते हैं, वो डेफिनेटली यू कैन सी दैट दे हैव पुट इन लॉट ऑफ वर्क एंड दे आर प्रोफेशनल्स. तो आई सॉ थ्रू आउट द टूर दैट पीपल learned the routine very well. They were very excited. They were very happy to dance. There were a lot of people who are not, dancers.
Correct.
Most of them were not dancers. And they still came and they spent the time and they had such amazing questions about the industry, not just random
Yeah.
stuff. So I found the tour super successful in every way. Like meeting up new people, meeting this energy, meeting young people. And I think there is actually the market in US has grown when it comes to dance. I've seen that like they are excited to learn and this is what they want to do now regularly.
Yeah.
तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एंड फॉर मी प्रियांक, आई थिंक डांस से ज़्यादा अच्छी कोई एक्टिविटी नहीं है इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्टेइंग फिट. या फिर यू आर डूइंग अ कॉर्पोरेट जॉब एंड यू जस्ट वांट अ रिलीज. You don't need to go to a therapist.
Yeah.
You don't need to go to a gym.
Yeah.
You just go to a dance
Dance
class.
class.
And you are mentally, physically aligned. You meet new people. You get out of, your zone, staying at home or going. This is a perfect way to stay fit and celebrate yourself.
Yeah.
तो इससे अच्छा मुझे और कुछ नहीं लगता. And the way you taught the routine, and I saw all the girls going down and twerking, even the boys. I think all of that was just amazing. मतलब मुझे उनको देख के मजा आ रहा था कि उनको कितने मजे आ रहे हैं स्टेप करके. So I was very happy.
Dance as a career compared to 15 years back in India and compared to right now what it is in India, it has become more viable. It has become more feasible. It has become more acknowledged, at least from what it was 15 years back.
Yeah.
And I think you also believe in that you want to make people feel comfortable and make them believe कि नहीं, अगर तुम्हें डांस फुल टाइम करियर करना है तुम कर सकते हो. लाइक यू डोंट हैव टू डू अ साइड जॉब और यू डोंट हैव टू बी स्कैर्ड कि यार कुछ पैसे कमा पाओगे नहीं. The opportunities compared to India and US, where do you think is more and why?
Now, opportunity in US, I don't know कि
Okay.
कितनी है for dancers because I've not lived here. But having interacted with, dancers coming to India for Dance Plus जब भी आते थे, like Les Twins came, Popping John came, तो उनसे बात करके मुझे realize हुआ कि इंडिया में ना dancing stars बन गए हैं.
Okay.
वो यहाँ पर उनके careers have not like gone up like that कि वो judges बन गए.
Correct.
जो कि हमने भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. लाइक इवन डूइंग अ रियलिटी शो, लाइक ओके रियलिटी शो हो गया अभी बस ठीक है,
Yes.
वर्कशॉप्स करेंगे
Yeah.
या किसी कोरियोग्राफर को असिस्ट करेंगे.
Correct.
बट टू गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू सिट ऑन अ शो एंड जज एंड लाइक ये ना किसी ने सोचा ना इमेजिन किया. एंड आई थॉट कि ऑडियंस शायद एक्सेप्ट भी ना करे कि ये बच्चे जज कहाँ से बन गए. लाइक अभी तो इनको कंटेस्टेंट देखा था हमने.
देखा था.
तो वो ऑडियंस ने हमको एक्सेप्ट किया है
Yeah.
फॉर वट एवर रीज़न. तो वो चीज़ मैंने यूएस में नहीं देखी है कि यहाँ पे यस बहुत क्राफ्ट पे वर्क करते हैं, बहुत ट्रेन करते हैं. एंड अगर कोई भी एक चीज़ होती है ना उसको बहुत लाइक टाइम तक करते हैं. इंडिया में क्या है सब कुछ जल्दी जल्दी होता है. लाइक 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स वी विल डू
Correct.
साइमल्टेनियसली.
Yeah.
तो सब कुछ में ना जुगाड़ 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 वाला
Yeah.
काम होता है. यहाँ पे क्या है, एक चीज़ है 3-4 साल एक चीज़ पे काम करते हैं लोग.
Yeah.
So I like that and I also enjoy what happens in Bombay because everything is just like ये भी हो रहा है यहाँ पे
Yeah.
भी day night we are doing. and I like it. Like I will never complain about having to do what you love
Yeah.
and having so many opportunities, like running my studio, also doing this, shows भी कर रहे हैं, appearance भी कर रहे हैं, workshops भी कर रहे हैं. तो बहुत अलग दुनिया है डेफिनेटली दोनों. एंड आई थिंक फॉर डांसर्स सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है कि उनको रिस्पेक्ट मिलनी चाहिए.
Correct.
एंड दिस इज समथिंग आई थिंक शुड हैपन वर्ल्ड वाइड, चाहे इंडिया में हो चाहे यूएस में हो, कोई भी कंट्री में हो. रिस्पेक्ट होनी चाहिए कि दिस क्राफ्ट रिक्वायर्स सो मच हार्ड वर्क. लाइक
Correct.
जो एथलीट्स को मिलती है और एक्टर्स को मिलती है, सबको मिलती है अपने अपने क्राफ्ट में. एंड बीइंग अ डांसर आई कैन ओनली से कि रिस्पेक्ट मिलनी चाहिए और अपॉर्चुनिटीज जनरेट करनी चाहिए हम सबको मिलके. लाइक नाउ आई एम ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ प्रोड्यूसिंग मोर शोज दैट कैन लॉन्च डांसर्स, सो दैट they don't have to feel कि okay I also have to do another job to survive as a dancer, और मुझे एक्टर बन जाना चाहिए या मॉडल बन जाना चाहिए so that I can pay my bills. तो ये चेंज करने में थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, बट आई फील लाइक दिस इज डेफिनेटली नीडेड.
Coming to choreography, choreography may, I think now the norms have changed. I think the focus, and please correct me if I'm wrong, I think the focus is how this song steps can go viral compared to pehle, how Saroj Khan used to do it.
Yeah.
Think of the essence of the song, like what the song portrays. What is your approach and viewpoint to this? Because pehle it was just dance, showing emotion, essence, portrayal of the characters. But now I think it's more of commercialization of the song steps as well. What is your thought process? And if you were given a song to choreograph, maybe 2024, 2025, and you were told, Shakti, ऐसा कुछ करना है कि सब लोग रील्स बनाएं, सब लोग करे कि यार क्या choreography, मजा आ गया करने. And that choreography specifically doesn't have to be very hard. You get what I'm saying? It's a choreography that people will love, but maybe it doesn't sit well with you, but you have to choreograph it that way. What is your viewpoint and approach to this?
So because recently I did a choreographers conference with Master Ji Ganesh Acharya, who has been in the industry choreographing 40 years. He has given the biggest and the maddest of hits. Then Remo sir, Bosco sir, Kruti and Vijay Ganguly. So all of them have been in the scene much longer than I am. So I asked them this कि आपको वो hook step नहीं बोलते कि reels बननी चाहिए और ये.
Correct.
So then Master Ji told me कि पहले उनको brief मिलता था कि हर शादी में होना चाहिए ये step. फिर रेमो सर ने बोला हम लोगों को brief मिलता था clubs में होना चाहिए. And now है कि अभी reels में होना चाहिए. So I think somewhere producers wanted to go viral in whatever ways पहले के ज़माने में. तो अभी ये है कि हर सबको reel बनाएंगे, सब steps करेंगे, song and everything becomes hit. It's a commercial success. So this is what Master Ji also taught us in that conference ki always make them look good. Don't say कि मेरी choreography में यही pattern है. Always you have to adapt to what actor you're working with.
Correct.
And I think what choreographers do is mad level stuff. मतलब आपको movie शायद याद नहीं होगी पर आपको गाने और steps. मतलब I will do one step and you know this song. That means choreographers have done a phenomenal job that worldwide people know their steps.
Yeah. I think if I just say Ek Pal Ka Jeena, the first thing that comes is that, and you can know it's the movie. So I think now also the norms have changed because social media monetization has come in. So maybe the commercial aspect is greater now compared to maybe 10 or 12 years because things have changed. And now it was always a business, but now it's the focus. There are more sources of income for a movie, like not just tickets or all these things. So I think maybe you telling me this has opened my eyes because Master Ji has said that pehle it was shadi, Remo sir has said now it is clubs, and now you're saying it's reels now. So now I think our audience have understood as to why there is so much focus on the steps being they have to be viral rather than the steps that we like. Coming to running from Bollywood choreography, coming to the international stage of choreography, and globalization of so many dance forms in every other country, do you think there is a particular dance style in India that should be embraced more on a global stage? Like apart from Indian people also, दूसरों को भी they should try to learn it because जैसे hip hop came, it came from the West, you know. Whacking came, it came from the West, and we all started, you know, getting into it and all because we liked it. It was different. There something that we have, you think, that should be embraced on a global stage?
I think already Bollywood has become like a global style and everyone loves it. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि जितना पैशन
इंडिया में नहीं है.
हाँ मतलब इंडिया में ऐसा होता है कि अरे और स्टाइल सीखो
Yeah.
तो ज़्यादा आपको रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे कि यू नो बट व्हेन यू स्टेप आउट ऑफ इंडिया लाइक पीपल विल बी लाइक ओ आपका इंडियन स्टाइल लाइक दे विल वांट टू सी इट.
Correct.
So I always encourage students to learn classical so that they are versatile and also you are in touch with your culture.
Correct.
And talking about, you know, what should go global, and which is why I'm also making the series Dance Across the World so that people, मतलब कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लग रहा है ना फोक और क्लासिकल डांसेस जो थे इतने सालों से वो हैं कहीं ना कहीं पर लोगों को पता नहीं है. स्पेशली यूथ इज ड्रिवन टुवर्ड्स वेस्टर्न डांसिंग मोर एक्रोबैटिक स्टफ एंड एवरीथिंग. देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग अबाउट इट. आपकी इंस्पिरेशन है, आपको जो अच्छा लगता है आप यू शुड बी फ्री टू डू दैट. बट me coming from a background where I've done folk and classical growing up, I really feel attached to it, and I feel there is genuine rawness and purity
Correct.
in this. तो जब भी मैं लाइव देखती हूँ ना, जैसे श्रीलंका में था, काजाकिस्तान में था, और अभी मॉरिशस में, व्हेन आई एम वाचिंग इट लाइक आई कैन नॉट स्टॉप माई सेल्फ. जो कि कोई भी म्यूजिक ऐसा नहीं होता है कि आई विल बी लाइक दिस, बट इनके जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स और वो जो माहौल है वो पहुंच ही नहीं रहा है कहीं पे भी. एंड आई होप थ्रू दिस शो दैट पीपल आर एबल टू यू नो रिस्पेक्ट
Yeah.
ऑल दीज फोक एंड क्लासिकल डांसेस, क्योंकि 2,000 2,500 साल पुराने फॉर्म्स हैं जो कि धीरे धीरे करके फेड हो रहे हैं. वो आर्टिस्ट का कुछ है ही नहीं करियर. तो आई होप कि थ्रू दिस इट चेंजेस. एंड मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आता है लाइक इन लोग इनसे डांसर्स से मिलने से, क्योंकि द वे दे परफॉर्म ना, उनमें कुछ वो नहीं है कि हमें प्रोफेशनल डांसर बनना है, वो जस्ट सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं डांस को.
Yeah.
तो आई रियली लव दैट. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट शुड कम आउट ऑफ इंडिया इज, मतलब हर एक स्टेट हर एक कॉर्नर के अलग अलग डांस फॉर्म्स हैं. मतलब अगर लोग गरबा सीख लें यहाँ पे तो लोग पागल हो जाएंगे कि ये क्या है. लाइक गरबा शुड बी ऑन लाइक इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म. भंगड़ा, मतलब भंगड़ा, ऑल दीज डांस फॉर्म्स धीरे धीरे करके जैसे पता चलेगा, आई थिंक बियॉन्से, रिहाना, ये लोग सब करेंगे.
I'm pretty sure that, you know, you'll focus on India also at one point because India is so big. There are so many
I have
things.
to create another show for India.
Exactly.
Because India is so filled with flavors and its heritage. But talking about, I want to thank you for helping me film in US, because you know, coming to US and not capturing the flavor and its dance was impossible for me. And you helped me thoroughly through New York, through Chicago, through Seattle, through everything. So thank you so much, and I'm excited to share that. And in the workshops, I realized that all the students have asked me questions relating to the show. And they're telling me, oh, Kandyan dance in Sri Lanka was like this. I have learned it.
Yeah.
And I felt so happy that I didn't even think that it'll reach. And the idea was that it reaches to youth. And it is, like they are watching it. That means the purpose is fulfilled.
Yeah. I think please see Dance Across the World. I think it's a fantastic show. It's on YouTube, and you will know the tiny bits of different kinds of dance forms, not just the ones that you know about. You know, Mauritius Sega dancing is something that is so different. So I think that is one show which I think all the youth should watch. And because, as you said, these dance forms are fading out, and जब तक हम knowledge share नहीं करेंगे वो पूरे ही fade out हो जाएंगे. So I think that is one thing that is a super initiative, and I think I hope all countries are covered as soon as possible.
Yes.
Everything comes out.
But I want to add something to this, and I want to say this to anyone in any profession, that time is the most valuable thing in your life.
Correct.
And you should not waste a single moment of your life doing something that you don't love.
Correct.
Because ये जैसे हम मूवीज में बोलते हैं ना, ये फाइनल टेक है.
Yes.
आप एक्टिंग करो, फाइनल टेक है, ये एक बार लग गया तो लग गया. Like that, each and every moment is happening. You cannot rewind, you cannot go back. Why do you want to ever do anything that you don't enjoy? चाहे वो पर्सनल लाइफ में हो. I even tell mom, कि होता है ना रिश्तेदारी करना. मैंने कहा आप enjoy नहीं करते हो, क्यों करती हो? मतलब दूसरों के लिए people pleasing करना बंद कर दो. Start, if people really love you, they will respect you and love you for who you are. And instead of doing things that they want, you know, to be done around them. just absolutely be free of all the nonsense
Correct.
and celebrate each and every moment to the fullest. आपको सोचना ही नहीं पड़ेगा.
Correct.
You will know कि okay, I am lying to myself if I'm doing this. So yeah, just know that this time is never coming back.
Yeah. So the time that you always say you enjoy whatever you do, we have Mohan Sisters Live, which has come up, and you have worked with Mukti and Neeti
Yeah.
very often in
Yes.
many projects and all. How is it working with them? Who's the the goofy one? Who's the strict, like not strict, but who's the one कि नहीं ये ऐसे तुम क्यों कर रहे हो दोनों, and whatever. Who's the one who does that?
So Didi is the boss. Mukti is the goofy one. She's gonna hate me. Don't watch it, okay? She is the one who's like, मैं अपना song change कर दूँ one day before the show. And then Didi and I will be like, can you just do it this show? And then after that we'll say. But because she's very creative, she always keeps coming up with new ideas. And we are like, we have to manage too many things in the show. It's a 2-hour long concert. And Didi is the boss. Like
Yeah.
she will design the entire show flow. Like I will finish this, you enter, blah, 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 blah. And then Mukti will be the one who will. And then after the show, we have this, once we're
Yeah.
heading back on the flight, we'll be discussing like what happened right and what was wrong, what we need to change, what we need to add. And then Mukti will be like, my song. I'm like, again? You want to always keep changing your song. So, yeah, like that's the equation. But I think the amount of fun three of us have together, and it's unreal
Yeah.
to be able to even put this show together, all
Yeah.
three of us. And to bring everyone's uniqueness to stage and what we do, what we love, and that kind of understanding. Didi's on stage and we're like, oh my God, she has a quick costume change, and we all run to her and we're zipping. And then, so all those things backstage are just amazing. Like, I don't think there could be a better opportunity for me than to perform with my sisters.
Nitya Shakti is one of the major dance schools in Mumbai right now, which is growing exponentially. There must be a certain criteria, to get into Nitya Shakti as an instructor, as a performer. I'm pretty sure dance is one criteria, which
Yeah.
is very, basic. But teaching is an art.
Yeah.
You can be a very good dancer,
Yeah.
but you can be a very bad teacher.
Yeah.
And you can be vice versa.
Yeah.
So, but I think Nitya has, have good dancers and great dancers with great, amazing instructors as well.
Yeah.
How do you look into this? Like, how are you a part of the hiring? What qualities that you look into an instructor?
So, starting from Nritya Shakti, my father gave me this name. He's like, this is power of dance and this is what you signify. And I'm like, are you sure I should have this name? He's like, yeah, this is you. This is who you
Right.
are. And I feel very proud that sometimes people think that my name is Nritya Shakti. When I meet people, and I feel so happy. I really love the name, and right from opening the studio to creating the logo to everything, I have been involved.
Yeah.
I have been involved in which teachers will be a part of the program. I really love training.
Yeah.
So for me, I never saw it as, I'm opening a studio and it's my business. It'll never be that. It's something so core to me. It's so important to me that, any student who walks in to the studio, even for a class, should have the best experience of their life.
Correct.
And it's not about making the best dancers in the world. It's about making happy dancers in the world. And I think happier you are, better you create.
Correct.
And to create an environment where they feel amazing. Like, I invested a lot of money in making the studio
Yeah.
look the way it does, because आप Bombay में जब studios देखोगे, it's like basic.
Correct.
And I never wanted a dancer to feel कि, ऐसे ही है, basic. I want them to have the luxury what people
Correct.
experience when they travel abroad and they study. So each and every teacher we have is internationally trained. They are underground battle teachers. They have itni knowledge in dance ki I just watch the classes and I'm like, oh my God, I wish I started now. And I could train in so many styles all together. Like, it's unreal. Like, when I see students grow from, being like this shy, coy people and then doing crumping and then they are doing afro and, and I see them on reality shows. I see them working with, I just saw yesterday, our dancers were going for Arijit's concert, and like they're all over the world.
Yeah.
And I feel so happy and proud that they're taking these experiences with them all over the world. And I think that's what Nritya Shakti is meant to do, that people celebrate and enjoy dance. And I would love to welcome you someday in this space.
I think Nitya Shakti, I've seen the studios online, like on the website, and they look fantastic.
I just want the dancers to be very happy. Anyone who walks into the space, I want not Nritya Shakti but dance to be more successful as a career, and more of more of dance in the world, more of opportunities in the world creates more dancers.
Correct.
So I hope that happens, not just for Nritya Shakti but for all the studios. That people come out and dance and celebrate, and all the dancers who are training, like they will get to another level. Like how अभी breaking has become part of Olympics. It's been introduced. तो वहाँ से breaking के बारे में भी अभी
ज़्यादा,
opportunity create हो गई. वो देख के like reality shows ने भी कितने dancers को chance दिया है to
Correct.
grow and participate. तो बहुत सारे parents होते हैं who have these concerns कि अब बच्चे करेंगे क्या training के बाद.
Correct.
So I tell them that like these are the opportunities right now in the industry. There are so many music
Yeah.
videos, film songs. There are so many like stage shows happening, musicals also happening. आप कहाँ से कितना grow कर सकते हो?
Correct.
And for any dancer, like to be on a set, you are learning constantly, and you're able
Always.
to participate as आपको production सीखने को आता है,
Correct.
आपको choreography आती है. You also get to perform. So even at my studio, everyone who's working are doing multiple jobs. Not just a desk job or not just management. They all are doing shows. They all are traveling. They do everything. So I really enjoy that dancers hustle a lot. Like
Yeah.
I'm sure you also do. You have another job full time
Yes.
and then you also do this. तो ये एक टाइम के बाद मैं चाहती हूँ कि हमें करना ही ना
करना
पड़े,
ना
कि डांस इतनी बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी बन जाए
Correct.
कि सारे डांसर्स से फुल टाइम डांस करते हैं.
Correct. I've had this thought, which I'm going to tell you. As a dancer, there is an age till where you can dance flamboyantly. Let's say 40. You do shows, you do reality shows as a contestant, you're choreographing. My definition of that entire process is you're doing all that, yes, for your monetary gains, fame, love for dance, but that is still doing all those things for someone else. As you have started Nitya Shakti, that is
Yeah.
your own.
Yeah.
Do you think dancers also should maybe focus or think of something that where they can literally push themselves, their character into that? Like I'm pretty sure Nitya Shakti is Shakti Mohan. Like your character is been enforced or embodied into the instructors, your discipline. ऐसा कुछ you think dancers should also start thinking about that, or there are like two different pathways where people are just happy to do choreographies for Bollywood, reality shows, and they don't want to do something of their own which is more sustainable till they are older?
I think there should be a balance.
Okay.
You also do commercial work
Okay.
and you also keep your creativity alive so that you are constantly evolving as a performer. सिर्फ कमर्शियल करोगे आप ही को अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, आपको
Correct.
लगेगा कि यार यही
Boring.
वही सेम सिंपल स्टेप्स करा रहे हैं, कॉर्पोरेट शोज कर रहे हैं, आपको नहीं मजा आएगा.
Correct.
You want to go to the studio and think what I can do beyond what I have been doing, and I believe in this. Like बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो एकदम प्योरिटी ऑफ डांस में चले जाते हैं
Correct.
और then they are commercially unhappy. They
Yeah.
are not able to sustain themselves.
Correct.
And commercial वालों का भी वही है कि they are like burnt out.
Okay.
कि हम दिन रात यही सेम कोरियोग्राफीज कर करके अब मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है.
Correct.
And you are gone. You need to find a way to do
Balance.
both.
Yes. Coming to Nitya Shakti and all the dancers, I want to ask you one advice for me. As you've seen me, teach in different cities. Even though you were there for a shorter period of time, but I know you immediately picked up. How I taught. One advice that you would give me to maybe become even a better instructor.
I think you're amazing as it is. You're so motivating. You are going to all the students and hyping them, and I think that is what is important. And as a teacher, you succeeded in teaching them the entire routine. I don't know a single student in any city that they missed out on a step or they forgot, or like they all managed to complete it. You were doing it right in front of them every time for all the batches. So I have absolutely no feedback for you. You are amazing.
Okay.
The way you are.
uh, before we go into a very different segment, which is the rapid fire, one last question. Not Chicago. You've been to our class. You've seen
Yes.
the crowd. Everybody, has come out in numbers to also see you. But I feel there is a sense of support that I get from
Yeah.
the crowd of Chicago, which is fulfilling for me. And I've told you that मुझे डांस से प्यार है, but मुझे डांस सिखाने से ज़्यादा प्यार है. I love
Yeah.
teaching dance more than I love dance.
Yeah.
What do you think Nach can do, like what we can do as a community, my team, the crowd of Chicago, to enhance our belonging, enhance our South Asian community over here, which makes us feel even more connected to India,
Okay.
makes us feel more connected to Bollywood dancing or something like that, which gives us a sense of home, because we are all far away from our homes, working
Yeah.
in corporate jobs, hustling Monday to Sunday to Sunday, doing something in the other. You coming here, gave us that pinch ki, we have connected to Bollywood, we've seen her. ऐसा हमें क्या करना चाहिए, something different according to you?
Okay. I'll have to think.
Okay.
But what I can say is that just like what you're doing, following your heart, that you just wanted to dance, you wanted
Yeah.
to go out there and teach dance, and this is what you love.
Yeah.
And I feel for people who are following Not Chicago also
Yeah.
doing that because they love coming out and dancing. So I
Correct.
think there should definitely be like lots of classes for them to come and perform. And what I can think of is to create more of awareness
Okay.
and opportunity sort of for dancers.
Okay.
You could conduct like maybe once or twice a year some competitions
Okay.
for them within the community, or maybe just to dancers overall.
Okay.
Like say solo, duet, and group,
Got it.
and then give them scholarships or give them
Got it.
like create just like पहले छोटी community से आप start
Correct.
कर सकते हो.
Correct.
So that there's more awareness and some excitement कि हमें dance prepare करना है, हमें
Correct.
costume पहन के जाना है.
Correct.
And then when they perform and everyone comes and cheers them, like everyone remembers कि आपने ये dance किया था.
Yeah.
And this becomes an event for people to come and connect.
Yeah.
So I whenever I go and judge competitions abroad, मुझे ये चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगती है कि they are actually people love India more,
More, yeah.
outside than क्योंकि
Correct.
इंडिया में ऐसा होता है ना, हम
Correct.
इंडिया
इधर
में
ही
ही
रहते
है,
हैं,
हमें
correct.
अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स दिखती रहती है,
Yes,
रोड कैसी
yes,
है यार,
yes.
गंदा है ये वो. यहाँ पे ऐसा लगता है कि इंडिया को लोग कितना मिस करते
मिस
हैं.
करते हैं.
तो आई थिंक एक जो इवेंट होगा जिसमें आप खाने के भी काउंटर रख सकते हो, कॉस्ट्यूम के भी काउंटर रख सकते हो, एंड देन यू मेक इट अबाउट डांस एंड म्यूजिक एंड सेलिब्रेशन एंड मिसिंग इंडिया बेसिकली इन एवरी वे. तो उससे उनको मोटिवेशन होती है सारे
Correct.
स्टूडेंट्स को कि आई विल कम्पीट दिस ईयर एंड आई विल विन दिस ट्रॉफी.
Yes.
सो दैट वुड बी.
I think you've caught this very well, and I'll tell you why. When I shifted here 7 years back, I started to realize that the people who have grown up here are more connected to Indian culture. They pray more, they go to the temple more than us, they know more about our festivities than we coming from India.
Yeah.
Because I think we take it for granted कि हम इंडिया में ही रह रहे हैं. अरे ये
Yeah.
दिवाली भी हो रही है, ये भी हो रहा है, वो भी हो रहा है. But here, they take it
They
upon
value it.
themselves कि they will dress up,
Yeah.
they will pray to God, पूरा घर दिया से सजाएंगे, everything, which is very
Yeah.
different and unique for them. So I think you've picked that up very well. But yes, about the competitions, I think Nach will definitely look into that. I think that's another way to promote young talent as well,
Yeah.
कि उनको खुशी हो कि कोई प्लेटफॉर्म तो मिल रहा है
Yes.
कि हम अपना शोकेस कर सके. Maybe घर पे मम्मी पापा are not allowing,
Yeah.
or maybe they are scared to do it.
Yeah.
I know for a fact there is one boy. His name is Ness, and I'm pretty sure he's going to see this podcast. He's 6 or 7 years old, and he came for my first class. I was teaching Chalea on the Shah Rukh Khan song, and he danced on it, and he did the Shah Rukh pose and all. And I was looking at him, and I spoke to his mom after that. And his mom also told me he's never done this at home. Like,
Wow.
class में आके खुल गया है वो. He's, acting like Shah Rukh and, goggles,
Wow.
sunglasses pen and all. So I think that is a very good thing that you've told us. And I think
Yeah.
we'll definitely look into it. And,
Yeah.
once, if we get big enough for a competition, we will invite
Why-
you to judge.
Of course,
for
I
the
was going to say that I'm definitely coming for the first one. And also for dancers, it becomes एक मोटिवेशन होती है कि जो से अगर आप फर्स्ट प्राइज
Correct.
विनर को पैसे देते हो या
Correct.
वट एवर
Correct,
अवार्ड
yes.
मनी, तो सबके लिए होता है कि हम गोना विन,
Correct.
जो हर बैटल में हर सब में कुछ
Yeah.
अवार्ड अमाउंट होती है, तो उससे क्या होगा, सब में वो एक्साइटमेंट भी
Correct.
होती है, एंड प्लस यू फील लाइक इफ आई विन इट देयर इज अ रिवॉर्ड.
Correct, yes.
So definitely,
Yeah.
and I'm so happy that you're so passionate and you're looking for ideas how to grow the community, and being like far away from home and still keeping this alive. And I'm like very proud of you, like managing jobs and like being a founder, creating a company and managing a tour. It's not easy at
Yeah,
all.
yeah.
Hats off to you, Priyank, and to your entire team of Naat Chicago, who's been working and so honest and pure towards dance. And I can, you can feel the energy. And I'm happy that we met, and thanks for inviting me.
And just to end, I think Naach started as a passion project. It is still a passion project, but now it is that I think me and my team, entire team, feels we have responsibility on our shoulders because
Yeah.
people look forward to what
Yeah.
Naach is doing.
Yeah.
Maybe it is a workshop, maybe it is an event, maybe doing Nitya Shakti tour. They are invested.
Yeah.
They're invested their time, their money, their effort,
Yeah.
energy to कि अब नाच क्या करने वाला है. So I think that responsibility has pushed me, to think out of the box, to think more than what I can do. And I think the best way is to pick more brains because I have some thoughts. Probably it's just still here, but you have so many thoughts. My team has so many thoughts. I want to say this to everybody. Not Chicago, not to me and Deep, but to my entire team. Thank you from Shakti and me. Otherwise, this podcast, this tour wouldn't be possible. And so, whenever you can go to Mumbai anytime in the next 1, 2, 3 years, please make use of it. I think very few people like her, are promoting dance and are, pushing people to reach their potential and to love dance for the art of dance. So, thank you so much for doing that. And this is where we end our conversation with Shakti. But before that, we have a very special segment that is the rapid fire round. We're going to get into the nitty bitty of how Shakti is, how she reacts to questions. And we just got to talking about Office, and then so, we had a 1 hour conversation on Office. And I even told her this that I've always loved and respected her, but I think my respect triple folded for Shakti after I got to know she's an Office fan. So we're going to do a little Office quiz as well, and let's see how much she knows.
Oh, God.
She says she knows everything, but let's see how much she knows. So let's go to the rapid fire. All right. So you have so many inspiring stories, but we also want to end with a fun rapid fire. There are 2 parts to the rapid fire. One is a generic rapid fire, and the other one is the Office rapid fire. I think you're more inclined towards
Yeah.
the Office one.
Yes.
But we're going to start with the normal one.
My concern is, am I getting the hamper?
What do you want as a hamper? You tell us. Tell us.
Can you make me meet the cast of Office?
Next time you come, I can promise you one thing. Next time you come, I will have the signature of Rainn Wilson on his poster and I'll
Are
give
you
it to you.
serious?
Yes.
Okay, I have to win this.
Yes. All right. Let's start. And this is, you have to answer this quickly. Huh?
You remember, huh? You promised
yes,
it.
I promise this on camera that if Shakti does very well if she gets more than, there are 15 questions. If she gets more than 10 right, I will get it.
This is different.
Okay? All right. So first, favorite project you've done so far in your entire life?
DID.
Bollywood actor or actress whose dancing you admire the most?
Madhuri ma'am.
A song you're currently obsessed with and can't wait to dance to?
Who says?
Which director would you love to choreograph for next?
I think Bansali sir.
Okay.
And Karan Johar.
And okay. Nritya Shakti, India's top dance academy or a global brand in the next 5 years?
World's best academy.
Worlds, okay. Delhi or Mumbai?
Delhi. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh my god, it's tough. Okay. I think Mumbai.
Mumbai, okay.
Because Mumbai has given me who I am today. Of course, Delhi has
Yeah,
memories and nostalgia, but I love both.
okay.
There'll be a war in the comments.
If you just have to choose one, Mumbai?
Yes, Mumbai is my home, is where my family is. So yes,
Okay.
Mumbai.
Raghav, the dancer, Raghav, the host, or Raghav, the actor?
Dancer.
Mukti, Kriti, or Niti? Who's the sister you're most scared of?
Didi. Neeti Didi.
Niti. Okay. If you could give one piece of advice to young Shakti just starting her dance journey, what would it be?
Just have a blast. Don't even worry about a thing.
All right. So that's where we end our first section of rapid fire. I think she did very well. She answered very quickly. So good job. So let's start with one of the most interesting
God.
aspects of the
Nervous.
podcast. So, if you were a character on The Office, that means you were inside the office as Shakti or whoever it is.
Okay.
First question: Team Jim or Team Dwight?
Team Dwight.
Best prank Jim ever pulled on Dwight.
The stapler one.
Which one was
He
that?
put it on in a jelly.
Oh,
Yeah.
in the first
Yeah.
season. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Imitation is the best form of.
Flattery.
Yes. Who's your least favorite character of Dunder Mifflin?
Holly.
Holly. Okay. Marry, kill, befriend. Jim, Michael, Creed.
Jim, Michael, Creed.
Creed.
Creed kill.
Okay.
Marry Michael
Okay.
and
Befriend Jim.
befriend Jim.
Okay. What's the title of Michael Scott's action movie that he's written?
Golden face. Wait. Oh my God! Why?
I can give you options,
Yes.
but
yes.
I'm not. I'm not
Give me
going to
options,
count
give
it
me
as.
options. Yes.
Okay. Option A: Nightmare in Scranton. Option B: Level 1 Midnight. Option C: Threat Level
Threat
Midnight.
level midnight. Yes.
All right. Next question. What is Dwight's middle name?
Dwight K. Schrute. Kurt.
Yes. What does Pam study at Pratt Institute in NYC?
Design. Graphic design.
Graphic design. Okay. This one is hard. What is Jim's favorite food? I can give you options.
Oh, give me.
Option A. I feel like this is Kaun Barega Crorepati or
Yeah,
KBC
yeah.
more. Okay. Option A. Buffalo Wild Wings. Option B. Soft shell crab. Option C. Capo noodles. Or option D. Baby back ribs from Chili's. This is hard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Chili's one?
No.
No?
So I
Come
think the
on.
Chili's one was when Michael and Jan went to do a
Oh,
deal in the
yes.
first. That's where he orders baby back ribs, but the answer is soft shell crab.
ये कब था?
I don't remember when, but it was. This was a question by my roommate, which he has put
I
in.
hate your roommate.
All right, next question. Which of these, I'm going to give you options in this. Which of these is not a name of Angela's cats?
Okay.
Lumpy, Mr. Snuggles, Princess Lady, and Deanne.
Deanne.
Nah. The correct is Mr. Snuggles. That was not the name of Angela's cats. Next question. How long was Andy carrying an engagement ring in his wallet before proposing to Angela?
3 months.
No. 6 years. Next question.
6 years?
Yes.
What the hell?
Next question. What's the name of the Dunder Mifflin initiative Ryan proposes to rebrand the company? I'll give you a hint. It is an online thing that he does.
Mifflinity or something Andy proposed.
No, it was.
Whoop. Are you talking about Whoop?
No.
No, okay.
He was a part of. He was the.
2.0 something.
No. That was
Dunder
just.
Mifflinity 2.0.
No. So the answer is Dunder Mifflin Infinity.
Oh shit.
Next question.
Have I
True or
lost?
false?
I lost it.
True or false? Meredith breaks her foot after being hit by Michael's car.
False. Yeah. Hip. She breaks her hip.
Yes. This is that. Okay.
Yeah.
Second last question. What's the full name listed on Creed's passport? I can give you options.
Yeah. Okay.
Option A, Michael Scan. Option B, Creed Bratton. Option C, William Charles Schneider.
Last one.
Yes.
William Charles?
William
Okay.
Charles Schneider, yes. Okay, last question. This is about the last episode.
Okay.
And you really, really have to be an Office fan to know this.
Okay.
The reason being, this was not shown on the in the series. This was just spoken about, but it was released after the show ended. How many kids does Michael have with Holly? This was the last episode where Dwight is getting married to Angela. I can give you options.
Yes.
Okay, option 1 is 1. Option 2 is 2. Option 3 is 3 and expecting their fourth. And option 4 is 4 and expecting their fifth.
3.
3 and expecting their fourth. Yes, that is the correct answer.
Yes, I had audience support.
I think. Oh, I think. My God, my team is helping the guest on the show. So I think she. Let me count. I think you did win it. You got exact 10. I feel.
I think 4 galat the mere.
हाँ, I think Jim's favorite food was wrong. Angela's cats, Andy's engagement. Yes, I think that 3 galat the. And
Three?
did Dunder Mifflin Infinity 4.
4.
So I think Shakti wins the round of office, and whenever she meets me next time, next year, maybe in India, wherever, I will have a signed autograph from Rainn Wilson, who's Dwight, on the show.
Oh my god.
Because I think it's one of her favorite characters,
Yeah.
and I will gift it to her. I promise this. If I don't, please catch me. So before we end, I just want to say thank you so much for coming on our show. I think it's been a pleasure to work with you, to work under you, to learn from you, and to host you on this show.
Oh, so
Uh, as a founder and the entire Nach team, we hope Nitya Shakti becomes one of the biggest dance brands and dance institutes, not just in India but globally. And your vision, for people to think that yes, dance can be a full-time career, becomes even more viable and even more feasible because of all the efforts and hard work that you have put in. So thank you so much for doing this tour with us and thinking that I can be good enough to be your assistant and
Come
be a
on.
part of Nitya and help you make this tour successful. Thank you so much.
And thank you, Priyank, and I'm wishing you all the best for everything that you're doing, and you're doing it with such, like, full of heart and everything right, like in terms of going to class, meeting people, creating a team, which is so wonderful, and wishing Nach Chicago, Nach New York, and maybe like next time I come, it should be Nach everywhere, San Francisco, LA, Seattle, everywhere. And want to tell all the people who are watching this that thank you for supporting dance. Because of you, both of us are sitting here, and without your support, we are nothing. So really appreciate you all watching this, and from this, I hope something good comes out, and I hope we see more and more dancers coming out. And please go and meet Priyank for his all his classes and all the competitions that now that he'll organize. Lots of love, and thank you for watching.
We have ended our conversation with Shakti, and it was great to meet her, great to delve into her journey and, know about more about her personality and how she is as a person. We will be uploading all of this on our channel, which is Not Chicago. So please follow, like, subscribe, and comment. And let us know which is the next guest you want us to bring. And we also want to bring a guest whose journey is very inspiring, not just to us, but to you as well. So let us know in the comments, jaldi, so that we can arrange their tour, or we can arrange how they can come to Chicago and do the podcast with us so that we can have a show with them as well. So thank you so much. Okay? I think I screwed it up a little.
Just stay clean.
Okay.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments below who would you like us to invite next.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like, follow, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which is the next artist you want us to get
On the show.
on the show.
Again.
Sorry.
Just do it with a little more energy. You want me to say it?
Yeah,
Say it.
why
Okay.
don't you say it?
Can you roll my camera? Okay.
Sorry.
Oh, yes. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this amazing talk with Priyank. I think he's doing a wonderful job, and this initiative is beautiful that he wants to reach out to so many dancers. So if you loved this, which I know you did, like, share, subscribe, and write in the comments what you loved most about this episode. and give a lot of love to Nach Chicago, Nach New York, and the entire community.